Good evening, all of you. So today is the second lecture on polynomial, and in the first class we saw that what is algebraic expression and what are the different concepts in each term involved in algebraic expression. Like we saw the degree, and we also saw the variable and the coefficient, and also we saw the constant. And last class also we saw the some rule that have to be satisfied to become a polynomial. Like if any algebraic expression that can be called a polynomial only when that satisfies these rules. So उस रूल में हम देखें कि जो हमारा डिग्री है वो नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर होना चाहिए और दूसरा पॉइंट है कि जो डिग्री है वो फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू नहीं होना चाहिए और तीसरा पॉइंट था कि जो डिग्री है सॉरी जो अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है वो डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं होना चाहिए सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस थ्री रूल नाउ वी विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट लाइक which of the given algebraic expression is polynomial. So here I have some questions. So the first question for today class is here we have polynomial like px is equal to 3x plus 5. So what will we do first? Like in each term, first we will try to find the degree on the variable. So here if you will see, so here we have degree 1. So this is the constant. So because here you don't have the x term. So degree here is 0. So here you can write x power 0. So here we have 3 terms. And in each term we will try to write the degree. So because degree is important for us to categorize the given expression is a like given algebraic expression is a polynomial. So here we have degree 1 and here 0. So here we will notice that our degree is not in negative integer and also this is not a fractional value. And any term in the given expression is not in a denominator side like any variable term. So here this is satisfying the all three rules. So like here we have the degree, like here I will write d equal to degree like 1 0. So this is not a negative integer, no, like any degree is not negative, so this is satisfied. And also we will see the fractional value. So here I will denote by f. So also there is no any fractional value. So and the third is denominator. So denominator here. So here we don't have any term in the denominator. So this is also we don't have any term in denominator. So if this is the sequence in algebraic expression, then we say this is a polynomial. So here px is a polynomial. Px is polynomial. So once again we will try to understand. तो यहाँ पर क्या है कि हमारे पास algebraic expression है, करेक्ट? और algebraic expression है 3x plus 5. तो सबसे पहले इसमें हम क्या करेंगे कि जितना भी वेरिएबल टर्म है उसका हम डिग्री लिखेंगे पहले. तो यहाँ पर x पावर 1 है, यहाँ पर x पावर 0 है. देन वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट थ्री रूल. तो हियर हम लोग देखेंगे कि जो हमारा डिग्री है वो नेगेटिव इंटीजर नहीं है और दूसरा है कि आल्सो फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू नहीं है और तीसरा पॉइंट है कि कोई भी इसमें डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं है. तो अगर हमारा कोई भी अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इस तरह की कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है तो उस अलजेब्रिक expression को we will say this is a polynomial. I hope this point is clear to all of you. So now we will see the second question. So here we have second question, that is Px is equal to 3x minus 1 plus 5. So what is our first step? Our first step is to write the degree on each term, like in each term. So here we have degree minus 1. We have minus 1 power on x, and here we have 0, no doubt. So here degree is minus 1 and 0. What we will try to do? We will write the all degree together. So here we have degree is equal to minus 1 and 0. So in this list of the degree, we have negative integer. So here what is happening? A given algebraic expression which have the negative integer. So this is not satisfying the non-negative term. So if any rule is not satisfying, then that algebraic expression is not a polynomial. So here क्या हुआ यहाँ पर ऐसा हुआ कि जो हमारा फर्स्ट टर्म था उसमें जो एक्स का पावर था माइनस 1 है. सो माइनस 1 क्या है? नेगेटिव इंटीजर है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ये जो हमारा अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है इसको हम पोलिनोमियल नहीं बोलेंगे. नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज we have the algebraic expression px and this is equal to 2x square plus 3. So what is our first step? Our first step is always try to write the degree. So here we have degree 2. Here we have degree 0 because 3 is the constant. Here we have degree. So how can you write this term in the form of degree? So here you can write x to power 1 divided by 2 because this is always equivalent to 1 divided by 2. So here we have degree is equal to 1 by 2. So what will we do now here? So here we will write the all the degree together. So here we have degree 2, 0, 1 divided by 2. So here we don't have any negative integer, correct? We don't have any negative integer. But second rule, if you see fractional value, yes, we have the fractional value that is 1 divided by 2. So if there is any fractional value in list of degree you have, so what is if this is happening? So in this case, if this satisfy, then we say the given algebraic expression is not a polynomial. So here px is not a polynomial. तो इसमें क्या हुआ कि इसमें भी हम फर्स्ट स्टेप में सारा डिग्री लिखे इच टर्म का. तो फर्स्ट टर्म का डिग्री 2 है और सेकेंड टर्म में डिग्री 0 है और थर्ड टर्म में डिग्री 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 है. तो इसमें हमारे पास कोई भी डिग्री नेगेटिव नहीं है और वी हैव डिग्री फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू. तो इसमें क्या हुआ कि हमारे पास जो डिग्री था वो फ्रैक्शनल में है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू like in any term like here you can see like हमारे पास दो टर्म है like this term first and second, and फर्स्ट और सेकेंड में डिग्री फ्रैक्शनल नहीं है और ना ही नेगेटिव टर्म है, बट इन द थर्ड टर्म क्या है कि हमारे पास फ्रैक्शनल वैल्यू है, सो degree in any term becomes like a negative value of fractional value that is coming at the denominator place, तो उसको हम polynomial नहीं बोलेंगे. Now the I hope this concept is clear to all of you. So what will we do now? We will try to see the next question. So this is the fourth question. So fourth question में क्या है कि here we have the algebraic expression that is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x plus I. तो फर्स्ट हम क्या करेंगे कोई भी पोलिनोमियल आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए सबसे पहले देखेंगे कि कोई भी लाइक अ टर्म अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन डिनोमिनेटर में है या नहीं. So here you can see here x plus 5 is the algebraic expression and this is in a denominator. So अगर कोई भी डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया टर्म तो इसको हम स्ट्रेट में बोलेंगे कि ये पोलिनोमियल नहीं है. क्यों बोलेंगे कि पोलिनोमियल नहीं है? क्योंकि इसमें अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है x plus 5 वो डिनोमिनेटर में आ रहा है. So here px is not a polynomial. So here px is not a polynomial. So like this way we will see some more questions. Now the fifth question is px is equal to x square plus root 2x plus 3. So सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि कोई भी algebraic expression हो जो denominator में ना हो. So here we don't have any term at the denominator place. So what will we do now? We will try to write all the degree. So here we have 2 and here you can see here root 2 we have. So this is the coefficient. So here we will not focus on the coefficient term. Always we have to focus on the variable when we are writing the degree. So here we have 1 degree on x and this is the constant. So here this is the 0. So here you have to very careful. Like here if you are saying root 2 and you are saying this is like a root 2 1 by 2 that becoming the fractional value, that is not correct. Always we have to see the degree on variable, like variable that is x whose value is unknown to us. So we have to always we have to see that on that. So here we have degree like a 2 1 and 0. So here like all degree is non-negative integer. Yes, there is any fractional value inside degree? No. There is any expression in denominator? So answer will be no. So if satisfying this kind of condition, so this px become the algebraic, sorry, that px become a polynomial. So here px is a polynomial. So I hope like up to this point is clear to all of you. So in today class, just I'm trying to solve some more questions on the basis of the rule I taught you in the last class. So I hope up to this point is clear to all of you. And if you guys have any doubt, please ask your doubt, and I will try to solve your doubt. Then we will proceed to the next concept. Otherwise, I will give some more question to all of you. to solve as homework. So here, so as a homework, you have to identify which of the given algebraic expression is a polynomial. So this is a question like which of given algebraic expression is polynomial. तो इसमें क्या करना है आप लोगों को कि इसमें मैं अलजेब्रिक इक्वेशन दूंगा, लिस्ट ऑफ अलजेब्रिक इक्वेशन, और उसमें आप लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कौन सा अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन पोलिनोमियल है और कौन सा नहीं है. लाइक यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई which of the given algebraic expression is polynomial and which of the given algebraic expression is not a polynomial. So the first question is, that is 2y cube plus 4 divided by 9 y square minus 8y. So here y is our variable. You have to notice that part. Second is 3z square plus 2z plus 5. Third question is x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square plus 5x. Third question is x square plus x power 3 by 2 plus 5x. So these are the questions you have to solve as homework. Like you have to identify that which of the given algebraic expression is polynomial and which of the given algebraic expression is not a polynomial. This is the last question. So 6 divided by x square minus 3x plus 1. So I hope up to this point is clear to all of you. And if you have any doubt, please ask your questions. I will try to answer to your questions. And if you have any doubt, you can also post to our website in question answer forum. Okay, if you don't have any doubt, we will meet in the next class. So once we will meet in the next class, so there we will see the different kind of the polynomial. So in the third lecture, we will study different type of a polynomial. So this is the end of the today lecture. So I hope up to this point is clear to all of you. So thank you, all of you. Pay your attention more on the study. Thank you.